Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade hair gel. Creating your own hair gel at home is surprisingly easy and uses just a few natural ingredients. We'll focus on flax seeds, which are packed with beneficial omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. This homemade alternative is not only cost-effective, but also provides excellent nourishment for your hair, helping to define curls and reduce frizz without harsh chemicals. Let's begin with the simple preparation steps. First, you'll need 1/4 cup of whole flax seeds and 2 cups of filtered water. Combine these in a small saucepan. Place the pan on your stove over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Remember to stir the flax seeds frequently to ensure they don't stick to the bottom of the pan, which can happen easily. Continue to simmer the mixture for approximately 7 to 10 minutes. You'll notice the water transforming into a gel-like consistency, similar to egg whites. It's crucial to strain the gel quickly through a fine mesh sieve or a clean cloth while it's still warm. If you wait too long, it will thicken too much and become difficult to strain. After straining, allow the gel to cool completely. It will continue to thicken as it cools. Once your homemade hair gel is completely cool, transfer it to an airtight container, like a glass jar, and store it in the refrigerator. This natural gel typically stays fresh for about 1 to 2 weeks. To use, simply apply a small amount to damp or dry hair, working it through for definition, moisture, and shine. You can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a pleasant fragrance and added benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.